This video feels weird for me to make, purely because usually everyone sees me on here as this bubbly, playful, positive guy that spreads and teaches cool code and things to do with programming and web development and shares insight to really cool people and their talent. But as you've probably noticed, I have been extremely inactive on YouTube. Now, I really appreciate that pretty much all of you that have subscribed to me have stayed and waited, and I hope this kind of will pay off for you, that you have done so. So thank you. I appreciate to everyone who remained and is willing to continue watching me. But to put it short and sweet, and I'm not going to try to go into too much detail here, but I just want to give you the overview of my last year and a bit. At the beginning of last year, my father became ill. And a few weeks after that, I got admitted into hospital with some kind of infection of the heart muscle. That put a lot of strain on my heart, purely because I've already had open heart surgery before and I had an artificial valve. Now with this artificial valve and the infection, things started to dramatically change. I came out of hospital and a few days after that, my father passed away. My father was diagnosed with terminal cancer. And 2 months from the diagnosis, he wasn't with us anymore. Again, it's a lot to move past, and it's a lot to take in. With that news, with that happening, my health started to even further deteriorate. I was in a bad place. I started getting a very poorly functioning valve. It led to severe heart failure, to the point where I didn't have enough energy to get up and go to the toilet. And one day I just felt so bad that I got admitted into hospital, and they assessed the situation to be so terrible that I was taken that same day to a hospital in London via ambulance for like almost immediate heart surgery. Again, heart surgery went well, obviously. I'm sitting here, and currently I am feeling great. I have pretty much fully recovered. The recovery process was difficult. Second heart surgery is no easy feat, especially when your life is on the line. So as you can imagine, YouTube was a second priority to me. It wasn't there for me to think about at that moment in my life. But with things changing, I've promised myself and I told my family that once I get better, once my health is on track, I am going to be unstoppable. And with the new year, I've promised myself that 2025 is going to be my year where I'm going to do amazing things and I'm going to be a high achiever and I'm going to change things up in my life and finally start taking risks. And with that said, I am back on YouTube. And I'm doing a bit of a rebrand to the channel. I'm going to start posting very different content, not necessarily different to what you've been watching so far. It's going to be different in the way that I'm now becoming a founder of my own startup. I have bootstrapped a startup that is in the creative marketing for tech industry. It's an extremely exciting time for me because it's something that I always knew I'm really good at, and I'm taking it into actual fruition. And the startup will be launching, and with the launch of the startup, I'm going to be posting weekly videos of behind the scenes of how I'm making this work. Not just how I'm building the startup, but also things I've learned while building the startup, things I've implemented. We're going to be taking risks. We're going to be going outside of our comfort zone to develop specific things. We're going to be talking clients, the future of the business, and just everything that a usual founder battles with, struggles with, has success in. So we're going to discuss everything. So that's the idea. And I know a bunch of you that have been watching my channel previously, you guys really enjoyed the solo journey videos that I did. I'm never quite sure why I didn't continue making them. It was going in a good direction, but like this, what I'm doing now is no comparison to what I was doing previously. Like this is the real thing. And it's not that I'm just talking to the camera and promising that this is going to happen. I am literally launching in a few weeks. I've got those videos already filmed for the first 3 weeks ready to be posted. Like there is things for you guys to already see. And I'm super, super excited to kind of push this forward. I think all of you will really enjoy it. I think it's going to give a really interesting perspective into launching a tech startup that is more in the creative direction rather than like the super techy, concrete things that we've been seeing so far, especially with like AI. So I'm very interested how it's going to go. At the end of the day, you have an opportunity to watch someone create a startup that I'd say is in some respect a little unique, because I'm a software engineer that's specialized in AI. That's the kind of degree I came out of uni. I worked as an engineer, then I turned into developer advocacy and marketing, and I'm also an influencer. So you get a combination of those 3 job roles, which are hard to find as a software engineer, as a person who also does marketing and does the influencer stuff, to build a creative business that is focused on helping tech startups. I won't reveal too much of it now. You guys should follow. There's going to be a bunch of things on my YouTube, a bunch of things on TikTok and Instagram for you to constantly watch and see, and just have an insight into my life. I'll be doing a bunch of stories from day to day of how work is going and what's happening. So yes, so that's essentially it. It's been a tough year. And I'm so glad to be out of it, and I'm so glad to be on the road, hopefully to success. And I'd love to take you guys on a journey with me. So, whoever finds this video and whoever is watching it, you know, let's make all these videos a community. I remember when I started posting these solo startups, so many of you were commenting and dropping your ideas, exchanging thoughts, just interacting with each other. I want the same thing to happen now. It's the best interaction I've ever had on videos on YouTube, and I want to repeat that. And it makes me just very excited to have this community of people that follow me and enjoy my work. So I hope that is the case. And I think I'll say no more. Look out for a video next week. And yeah, wish me luck.